Farhana earlier in the session told us when she's talking to some of her people that, had their traditional routes into the field, she feels like she knows more than them. Do you kind of have that same impression?
Yes, what we learn at Colaberry is more than what you're going to need in your job. So, like when I was doing my interviewing, I was like, oh, my mind or my brain is going to explode or something. But it prepares you well for the job because, like, you just never know what you're going to find. But what you're learning right now is more than enough for your job.
You looking at people that got their way in different ways than Colaberry, and Pam is who they call when they need something, right?
Yeah.
What are some of the most valuable things you learned while you were at Colaberry that helps you, achieve your success today?
You have to have a mentality of not quitting, and of not failing at the same time, and of trying to find a solution, right? So like when I joined my company, I joined it during the COVID season. And so they were using SSRS for reporting. And so they were transitioning to Power BI. And everybody was so afraid of Power BI. They're like, what is this tool? So they asked me if I can be a lead for the team. And even that time when I didn't even know Power BI, but I took the lead, and I was able to move the company from that platform to Power BI. And everybody was like, wow. They used to call me they used to say, she has so many skills, just, so many skills, and they'll be so afraid to talk about them. If they're asking me questions, they'll just just ask what you know, because maybe she might ask, you might fail to answer.